Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a dedicated notebook and immediately add core sections: overview, tasks, meetings, resources. Once done, create a single-page template for briefs so each new task or meeting is uniform. Make sure to tag that first page with project name and priority so search finds it quickly. You'll save time and avoid duplicate information because OneNote's search and sync rely on consistent structure. That's why you standardize now rather than reorganize later. You capture everything on pages, then break complex items into subpages and checklists, which keep scope manageable. Once done, tag each actionable line with to-do, important, or question so filters show only what needs attention. Make sure to attach files and paste screenshots inline. They stay searchable. You can link Outlook emails and OneNote pages so context travels with the message. This method reduces miscommunication and speeds execution because every deliverable has a designated, findable home. You finish by creating a dashboard page summarizing milestones, percent complete, and current blockers so stakeholders see progress at a glance. Once done, run a weekly review to update tags, mark completed tasks, and move obsolete pages to an archive section. Make sure to use page history when reconciling changes. If things go wrong, force sync and check the online copy. Clearing the cache or reloading the notebook usually resolves stubborn conflicts and restores the latest version for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.